Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today we are going to talk about Bluetooth setting in Vivo phone. In this video guys, we will talk about how to connect earphone to our Vivo phone guys. You want to connect, so you can connect easily. In this video guys, I will show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time. So first of all, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. Guys, click on Bluetooth and device. Click on Bluetooth, on Bluetooth, and guys on your Bluetooth. This earphone guys, this button power off, and guys this volume buttons. After guys click on pair new device setting. Guys you can see CL20 my earphones. So I will click here to connect. Then guys it will connect. So by now I can use my earphone while watching movies, listening song guys. You can see earphone has connected. So I think friends we have understood how to connect earphone to our Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys please go and like me to subscribe my channel.